Venancio of Police Files.
Hello po, good afternoon. Kay Eric po at kay Wilbert. Since action yung film, nag-undergo ba kayo ng training or like paano kayo nag-prepare sa role ninyo?
Sa action po, nung sinabi po sa akin yung role, pauwi na po ako ng Davao. 24 ata, December 24. And then, wala na po, hindi na po ako nagbakasyon talaga. Pinuno ko na po yung schedule ko ng Christmas break ng puro training po dun sa Davao. Kasi yung shoot po namin is January 3. Ganun po ka-tight. So, binubook ko po yung sarili ko dun sa Davao para mag-training, para pagdating dun sa mismong set, hindi po ako magmukhang tanga. So, yun po. Kasi first ko po siya yan and wala po ako masyadong training talaga or experience sa kahit anong martial arts. So, yun po. At feel ko naman po na tawid ko naman.
Hindi naman halata dun sa...
Halata na.
Gawa ka ng sobrang broad. Which you are naman.
Sinipagan ko naman po.
Ang ganda ng action sequence mo.
Sa comedy.
For me naman, the preparation I didn't have much action scenes. I had that intro, pero hindi naman sobrang I needed to prepare for it. What I needed to prepare for was the entirety of the film. I'm organized when it comes to scheduling. Pero do you remember my script?
He had a really crazy binder with all of his notes on every line, and we were going through it, and it was very
Naka-highlight
detailed.
and naka-post-it, which day, ganyan. So, schedule ko talaga. I prepared physically and mentally. Nag-gym pa rin ako, nag-workout. Just to, because it was gonna be a month full of straight shooting. So, para hindi mapagod. So, I had cardio and all. I talagang prepared for it.
Sa producer po, buti po napili niyo po na sa Philippines pa rin siya i-shoot kahit po merong
Yes.
Yes.
When we had our initial discussions with the Korean team, the director and the writer and the producers, we really wanted to have a feeling of what is it like to be in the streets of Manila, but let's not go for the poverty porn. Let's go for something that cultural, and we also wanted to show them that there are different other locations that they can shoot in sa Philippines. That's why we had the shipyard scene, we had like the city scene, then we had this really nice mansion that we shot at as the lair of the bad guy. So we wanted to give them what it would, the full Philippine experience of what it's like to be shooting here. That's why we made sure that none of the shots were going to be in studio. Everything was all going to be practical. Like even the lighting, we made it as much practical as we could, just so that it's going to be an authentic experience for the viewer to see na yung Pilipinas hindi lang yung mga nakikita natin sa documentary.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Anne Venancio of Police Files. Up next, we have Jojo Panaligan of Rider PH.
Thank you. My question goes to Wilbert and Eric. Nagkaroon ba kayo ng chance to bond with the Korean actors? Hindi ba sila na nagkaroon ng culture shock, quote-unquote, sa Pilipinas? And how did you give them that world-famous Filipino welcome or hospitality? Maybe we can Wilbert.
Lumabas po kami na may parang sa break namin.
Gumimik po kami.
Yung una yung sa Metro tent ba yun? So lumabas po kami, tapos parang, ayun, sinakatawa po kasi naging close kami kahit hindi kami magkaintindihan. Ganon lang, nagkaintindihan naman konti, ganon. Tapos nag-party din tayo, no? Nilabas natin sila Uyon doon, nag-party.
Hindi ko alam yan. Mga secret gimmick yan, ha?
Then nag-BGC kami for a bit. We showed them, what BGC is like. Siyempre, the main nightlife. Ganyan.
May mga tinanong ba sila about sa Pilipinas at Pilipino na kinaaliw niyo? Or familiar na sila sa kultura?
Siguro sa food,
Sa food.
we introduce our delicacies and our
You
home
did?
food. Yes. Try namin yung sisig when we went out. Those typical Filipino foods.
Mababait po yung team na ano namin. Kaya, di ba, kahit after po ng shoot, nag-message yung mga stuntman na nakatrabaho namin Koreans, na ganun po.
Thank you to the producers, palalabas dito sa Korea. Tama ba?
Yes, actually lumabas na po siya
Tapos na.
June 17. Tapos we've also already secured international distribution through Lionsgate Pictures. So this will be shown all over the world.
Although not just the region.
Not just Korea, yes.
Wow, that's such a masyado malaking break, ano? Congratulations.
Salamat.
Hindi pa pala lang yan, yes. We are going to be in Lionsgate.
Okay. Congrats, guys.
Ngayon lang, ngayon ko na nalaman yun.
Yeah, by the way.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. That was Jojo Panaligan of Rider PH. For our next batch, please do stand by June Nardo of Marites University, Miss Dali Ann Carvajal of Philstar, Bobby Ricantina of Pop News and News Central, Nas Tabares of Pelicula Mania, and Jomar Joman of World of Joms. Our next question will be coming from June Nardo of Marites University. Moving forward, we have Miss Dali Ann Carvajal of Philstar.
For Wilbert, hi Wilbert. And
Yes,
Eric,
Dali.
nanonood ba kayo ng K-pop? Maiba lang. Pero Korean pa rin. Nanonood ba kayo? Familiar kayo?
K-pop?
Ay, yung K-drama.
K-drama.
Sorry.
Yes.
May napanood po ako. Meron ako mga
Ako po
action.
heavily into
And
K-pop and K-drama.
Sige, so, kasi ito action naman. Kung bigyan kayo ng chance to do a Pinoy version of a K-drama, anong K-drama pipiliin niyo? And sino gusto niyo makapareha na Korean actress?
Wow. Napagsing sagutin.
Han So-hee.
Ah,
Yeah. I would love to do a rom-com in a K-drama.
which K-drama would you like to do a Pinoy version of?
Business proposal.
Sa
Alam ng cancel.
Mukha naman kayo Korean pareho, na-imbibe nyo na ata. Yung itsura.
Madaming K-drama na I'm very interested in. I would love to explore. But
How-
I'm more on rom-com. That's my goal. Yeah.
About Wilbert. Ay, sorry.
Yung napanood ko po, gusto ko yung action na Vagabond. Vagabond, ayun po. Gusto ko po yun. Tapos, ganda din ng lead actress dun. So, kung may chance po. Sino po yun?
Thank you. And congrats.
Oh, si Bae Suzy yun.
Jesus.
Yes po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. That was Miss Dali Ann
Nandito na si
Carvajal.
June.
Philstar. Up next, we
We'll try
have
it. We'll try that.
June Nardo of Marites University.
Sin talaga. Kay Wilbert na lang. Wilbert, after doing this, na medyo matagal na pala, and then you did some rom-com, ano mas gusto mong gawin na ngayon?
Ano po? Anong mas gusto ko po?
Gawin, oo. Kasi matagal na itong sabi mo, di ba?
Yes po. Iba po yung ano, like, kung komportable po talaga ako sa comedy, rom-com. Kasi nalalabas ko po yung, feel ko yun po yung best ako. Pero iba din po kasi pag gumagawa din ng thing na hindi mo usual na ginagawa. So, sige po, sa rom-com pa din po talaga.
Ha? Rom-com ka talaga.
Rom-com pa din.
Ano pipilitan ka rin sabi ni Dali, ha?
Ano ba?
Ano pipilitan ka rin sabi ni Dali?
Ay, hindi ba? Na-appreciate ko din po kasi first action movie ko po siya. Tapos, actually, nag-training po ako ng ilang months sa boxing, kickboxing, in case mabigyan ng bagong action. Tapos hindi na po nabigyan. So, tumigil na din po ako sa training.
Tumigil ka. Kaya doon ka na sa mas mabuti yun dahil marami kang fans, dumami, di ba?
Yes po.
Oh. Si Eric, bakit medyo natagalan niya bago ka na-expose ulit?
Oo nga po eh.
Oo, di ba? Naramdaman mo rin yun?
I'm sorry.
Naramdaman mo rin? Ang tagal yata bago ka na-expose.
Yes, pero I
Ulit.
think it comes in perfect time na ngayon tuloy-tuloy naman.
Ano ba?
I just got off from 2 series, yung I Love You Since 1892, Project Loki.
Okay.
And what a way to, end the year, this quarter with The Guardian.
Ngayon ka lang namin nakaharap kasi. So,
More on music po ako before, P-pop.
Ah?
More on music po ako before. Nag-P-pop solo artist po ako. Yes.
Okay, sige, congratulations. Tapos,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was